Sick ass kimono. On top of some Luxury Jones original shit that you can't even like handle. I mean, I have to give a tutorial on how to work this shirt, which I'm about to do. So I'll just be right back. Luxury Jones original. Harem pant. There's only so much range of motion you can get in a harem pant. So. Yes, I've got a good reason for wearing two different boots. That's because I was trying to choose and forgot to make the switch out after I chose one. If they were the same heel height, of course I would wear them both, but they're not, and I've been walking around in them for hours. I steamed 5 or 6 kimonos while standing in them, and I guarantee you that I'm going to be in excruciating pain. Excruciating pain, 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 pain. In any case, I mean, I'm in excruciating pain now. Who am I kidding? The asymmetry of it all. The asymmetry of it all. The asymmetry of it all. You know? I mean, this is real. This is a real thing. You know? It's called avant-garde. Wool. It's called the 1960s. It's called a cape. It's called a poncho. It's called a... whatever the fuck. It's just a really fucking cool thing. I love it. 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 You know what I mean? It's like, check it. It's just... you have to be casual when you have things like this. Really like cool, like the ultimate in casual cool. But for this schlop. Yeah. This blanket. This super fantastic blanket. Oh my god, I want to put it on my body in so many ways right now. Yeah, there. Hey, but I like to wear my jackets like this. Like it's a, you know, a necklace. Yeah, I could probably get it around my neck twice, you know. I mean, what have I just done? Have I invented something? Yes. Sick. 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 I mean, I really could if I tried. And then you just like, oh, totally backless. But you know, we've got our front definitely accounted for. Bits and pieces. Okay, enough of that. Enough of those shenanigans. I was supposed to demonstrate. Oh, it's coming apart now anyway. The Luxury Jones masterpiece you've all been waiting for. It's like I just can't do anything straight. 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 Okay. Here you go. This is what it kind of like looks like. You know, swirling around. I don't really know how it started or what happened or where it went, but here we are. You know, and my natural instinct, I don't remember what the hell I was doing. Yeah, I'm gonna put this string, which I guess comes out of here, and I'm gonna pull it through here, right? And then what? And then, I guess, then what? Then what did you do next, kid? Smarty pants, what did you do next? Well, this is interesting. This has got 2 bits here. Man, I really get clever with this shit. It's not this complicated. I'm just trying to see the best way that I want to wear it. What's this one doing? This one should maybe go this way. Yeah, so whatever. There's lots of clearly variations of that to be done and had. How brave are we feeling? What are we feeling like? What needs to be exposed in your life? Let's see what else can be done here. Well, afros aside, you know, afro is an entity. I don't mind that at all. living creature unto itself. Anyways, you know, I mean, that's the fun of it all, though. You get to wear it however you want to wear it. And what I do all the time, constantly with these things, because I really do just wear them. I wear them a lot, weird little t-shirts that I've made and cut up. And if that next time that I go to wear it, I just can't get it the way I want it, then I just poke another hole in wherever I want the tie to go. And then I get what I want. Just poke another hole in it. It's a t-shirt, it'll live. I mean, it's lived this long, I've lived this long, you're still here. You know, who knows fucking where this thing's been. In any case, I'm just doing a terrible job of this, aren't I? Doing an absolutely terrible job. Because it does do other things. I'm just kind of nervous to show you because nobody ever buys my one-of-a-kinds, you know, not that popular, and but I keep making them. That's fine. Badly or anything, but I can understand why you wouldn't. But not actually. Now that I think about it, I mean, maybe you're just not. That's one reason. That's a great reason not to buy it, you know. But if you are in any way interesting or cool, of any sense of style, I would highly suggest a one-of-a-kind luxury Jones piece. You know, you never know when you're gonna this or this to save your life. I mean, you probably don't even remember the story. Me hauling that bed back the streets of Los Angeles to my house on the roof of my car, put it up there by myself. I happen to be wearing a union suit, which is a full long john suit under my cutoff, and another shirt on top. I took my union. I found a scrap of tape that was stuck to a cardboard box in the back of my car, and I used that bit of tape and my own long johns to tie the bed to my car, and I got it home safely and into my garage where it sits today. So anyways, point being, you know, have you seen the TV show Lost or like anything, you know, you never know when a garment like this, utilitarian, fashion, function, forward, fashion, forward, function, phenomenon, fabulous, you feel me? You feel